Hello, we're going to make a video today, and this video will show how to install Xquartz to a Mac system running the Maverick OS. This actually will show how to install Xquartz on any machine running an operating system that is a Mac operating system greater than 10.6. Here's how you find out about that 10.6 and if this particular Xquartz will work. Click on the little apple up on the left hand side, go down to About This Mac. And then at the About This Mac screen, there's going to be a little thing that says More Info, a little button. And you'll see my Maverick that I'm running is 10.9.5. So that's well above the 10.6. So that should work fine. If you come in here, you're 10.6 or above, you're in good shape and you can do this video. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to open Safari. And let's go to Google. And the software we want to install is called Xquartz. You may say, why do I want to install this? This will give you the ability to see X windows if you log in remotely to a Linux machine and get GUIs back from the Linux box. Okay, we're going to go to www.xquartz.org. And here's the Xquartz download. And I'll go ahead and click this. And it's downloading into this box here. And there's the Xquartz. So it's still downloading. Finished downloading, good. So I'm going to go ahead and double click that. There we go. I guess I clicked it a little too soon. So it's verifying the Xquartz download. Okay, and there it's now pops up this little box here, and it has the Xquartz package. So I'm going to double click the package, and here's the Xquartz installer. I'm going to click continue, and okay, I read this. Click continue. There's the license. Click continue. I'm going to agree to the license. And it tells me, it's going to take 189 megabytes or 185 megabytes, almost 186. Then it needs my password to install it. Now it's doing the install. And this will take 1 second. As that little blue status bar slides along. And it says we're going to take about a minute here, so we'll have to be a bit patient. I'm new to the Mac. One of the things I have to learn about the recording is how do I pause it? That's an interesting question. I do not know. But we'll wait here while this thing installs. It shouldn't take too... Oh, it's telling me to continue. So that's my bad. So the continue is grayed out. So I guess it's still installing. And I should have some background music here. Okay, now it's finished installing, and it's telling me I have to log out and log back in. So basically I have now installed Xquartz, and the next video that we do is going to be showing you how to run Xquartz and log into one of the ECE Teaching Lab systems. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to reboot, so that will probably be the end of the video.